What actually happens inside your body when you sneeze? Most people have heard that your heart stops. And that is actually true. Not for long. Just a fraction of a second. The pressure from a sneeze is so powerful it briefly interrupts your heart's electrical signal. But here is the part that will really mess with you. A sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour. Fast enough to spread droplets 27 feet in every direction. Every person in the room with you right now has already breathed in someone else's sneeze, including yours.